Dear baby girl, the smart single woman is not quick to call people friends. She can interact with people and conduct business with folks that she wouldn't dare call friends. The smart single woman chooses her friends with careful objectivity because she understands that few people qualify to enter her intimate circle. Therefore, choose your friends wisely as well. You don't need irresponsible friends who encourage risky behavior. What you need are people who act like sisters and brothers who will confront you when you are wrong and support you when you need help. But the trust you place in friends must be earned. Each friendship must pass the pressure test of life's circumstances. Friends who pass the test will stand by your side when it's unpopular to associate with you. They will not abandon you when you face tough times. Neither will they betray you for personal gain. Instead, they will help you, pray for you, and stand guard over you if that's what it takes to help you survive. Don't be deceived by frenemies either. Frenemies are the people who compliment and flatter you as they envy your success and secretly plot your downfall. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.